Yay! What are you singing? Huh? What do you know of? Your very own tree. You helping Mom? Huh? Alright, where's Mommy's extension cord? All down!
Yay!
Yay!
Shoot, 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 shoot.
Oh yeah? Okay. Let's make sure the lights work before we get decorating. Okay, Birdie, so far so good. Lights work. Okay. Let it be. That goes on the tree, on the bottom. Oh. Well, that goes on last.
Huh?
That goes on last. That. Okay. You want to put a bulb on?
Yeah.
Okay. Should have probably bought hooks. See? You put it on through. See how that goes?
No.
You need help? Oh. Yay! Put it right here. Stand up. The tree's almost bigger than you.
No, boy.
You need help?
Yeah. No.
That's green. Can you say green? Duck. What color's that? Pink. What color's that?
Purple.
That's right. Blue. What'd you do? Go ahead, put it right there. You need help? Here, let me help you. Oop. Green. Your butt. Oops. Let me pop this one out. Easy. Okay, orange. Orange. All right. Here, you want to put this one on? That goes on top. Say star. Here, you want to put this one on? You want to put this one on? Well, that goes on last, honey. You want to put that on?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Put it on one of the branches. We'll have to get you some more little ornaments. This tree's bigger than what I thought. Mommy gets her decorations down. Maybe she'll have some little tiny ones you can put on here. Hang on. Got the beads. Why don't we take them out first? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Hang on, there's stickers. Hang on. Oh, look how pretty. Beads. Hey, don't pull on them, you'll break them. Here, stand up. You can help Mommy. Okay. You'll put it right here. Here, Mommy, I'll hand them to you. Here. Bring them around. Here, bring it around. See, like this. What color? Tell Daddy what color that is.
Purple.
Right?
Wow.
The back is going to be a little bare. That's okay. We only see one side of it anyways. Here, we should have got 2 garlands. Are you taking a snack break? Huh? Uh-oh. Mommy should have maybe got 2 garlands. Oh well. It's gonna be a little short on beads. And we're gonna be a little short on beads, but that's okay. Here, come here, you wanna put the star on? Come here. You want to put the star on the top?
Okay.
Okay. Alright. Yay! Yay, Birdie did it! Yay! So Daddy, hang on. We gotta put it up there and put the skirt on it.
Sure.
Ooh. Here, Mommy will set it up on the table and then you can put the skirt on it. Let's see, what side do we have decorated more? Whoa! Hang on. I think we're going to have to put it on the table, Bobby.
Why?
Because it's just going to slide off of it.
Why is it sliding?
Because it's hard plastic and that's lopsided. It's not going to work up there.
Yeah, well,